Hello, everyone. Thank you so much. Here at SCWBEC today, we had our holiday breakfast. We want to wish everyone in our community a happy and a healthy new year and happy holidays. From our heart to yours. Enjoy, everyone. Thank you so much.
Strategy, and I'm just at the SCWBEC Holiday Party. It's a wonderful event every year. If you don't know what SCWBEC is, please go to SCWBEC.org and join us in the future for meetings. And I'd like to wish everybody a very happy holiday this year and a fantastic 2026. Thank you. Bye-bye. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays.
My name is Catherine Cortabarria. I am the chair of Suffolk County Women Business Enterprise Coalition. This day, I'm so grateful for you being part of this amazing organization. So I want to wish you health, prosperous, and so many blessings for this coming year. Happy New Year, happy holidays, and I wish to see you next year.
Merry Christmas! Merry
Hello everyone, this is Giselle from Balloons by Playtime and Giselle Di Fresco, PR in SCWBEC, and I want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Feliz Navidad para todos y muchas bendiciones.
Happy holidays!
Long Island Development Corporation and Long Island Small Business Assistance Corp. wants to become your lending partner.
Happy holiday and New Year. Thanks so much, guys.
Thank you so much, everybody. Excited to be here, and we want everybody to have a happy New Year and a healthy holiday.
Thank you so much for your time. Today is gonna be a different time. If the sponsors can stand up, please. All the sponsors, different levels, I will appreciate if you stand up. Thank you for your support through all these years and many years that you've been part of SCWBEC. So we want to recognize the past chairs. If you can stand up, please. Thank you, Elise, for all these years of serving the organization. Thank you, Betsy.
So congratulations, Catherine, on another successful year with the Suffolk County Women's Business Enterprise Coalition. And best of luck to everyone in 2026.
So much.
Would you like to say a few words?
I'll say.
Okay.
Thank you so much, SCWBEC, for this generous support and believing in my vision to help others get to hit new levels of success in 2026. This will definitely be helping me put together a workshop, launch a new workshop and professional development program for women leaders and business owners to grow their strategic skills and their strengths. Thank you so much.
Honey, get to me.